Okay, so Nikhil, I think this video is now basically the interview is getting recorded now so
Yes,
that
sir.
you can answer all the feedback questions that we have for the version 1 of the communication program that we started. And it was concluded little
Yes.
like earlier, but I thought why not to just have a feedback from all of you and see how the things went. No? So let
Yes,
me
sir.
ask.
It's a
Yeah, sure. So let me ask you a
good
few
decision.
questions one by one, and in 5 questions we can sum it up. So
Yeah, sure.
the first question would be like, how do you feel about speaking before joining the program? So whatever scenario you had, like before even joining this session or everything we did, so how was the things like for you? If you can give a brief.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what was the reason was that I wanted to improve my communication skills. I
Okay.
was uh, I was quite good at knowing English. I could write well, but I was not very good at speaking. So
Hmm.
this was something I wanted to learn from a lot of time, and but I was not getting any proper platform. So one day in YouTube, I came across a YouTube channel, and
Hmm.
then I finally made my decision so that I should start this. So then I went along, and then as time progressed, we slowly started talking and setting meetings on a
Hmm.
daily basis. Slowly, we started improving our communication. So what happened is there was a camera shy. I was camera shy.
Okay.
I was not very confident speaking in front of camera.
Oh.
So that was the thing that got improved over time,
Hmm.
and slowly the way of speaking as well improved. So we started using better words,
Hmm.
and the flow of communication also improved. So this was something that I observed, and it must be observed by you as well that things have improved with time.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, Nikhil, you are very true about that thing. No, camera shyness or something like if we want to like bring something on the platform, we need some kind of confidence to it because I think everything is a skill at the end of the day. No, like I have noticed that
Yeah.
like from the initial days itself, you are doing really great as far as communication is considered. But the idea is as far as the shyness is considered and a lot of factors I think there would be no like if we want to present something. So yeah, I think
Yeah.
you have improved a lot. This is the best thing I liked about you as well, that you were like kind of putting efforts as well, no? Because I remember there were sessions when you were in the gym as well as you were joining the session. So this shows your spirit as well,
Yes.
no? This is commendable, Nikhil. I also get inspired from you by the actions I see in
Thank
you.
you.
No, like you were in the gym even, then you were like responding to the class equally. No,
Yes.
so
Yeah,
that
because both of things are important.
yeah, that's
Managing both of
mm,
things were equally important for me.
yes, and it is something like people have to decide, no, what to choose, what should be their priority. So you neither skipped the gym nor you skipped the class. So that's the thing, no.
Yes.
One should like look
Yes.
for. One should get inspired for. Okay, then moving ahead, this would be the thing. What has changed in you after attending the program? So if you have something in mind, like however you have explained a lot about that also, like just
Yes,
now.
sir. So yes, sir. The thing was that even in college, school days, I was quite shy, and even
Hmm.
in college, I tried to improve a bit, but we did not get enough chances of speaking in stage. However, I have tried uh, sometimes in college, and I have won some competitions as well. But still,
Oh,
I
nice.
think those chances were not enough that they could
Hmm.
do proper justice and give me because see, let's see, colleges don't do a lot of opportunities because
Hmm.
there are students, a lot of
Hmm.
students are there, and the
Hmm.
time is also limited. So people don't get enough chances and opportunities so that they can well polish their
Hmm.
skills.
Hmm.
So this was the platform which helped me to uh, properly improve over my communication skills.
Yes, yes.
And yes, this is changed.
True that. Yeah, I think I can totally relate with your idea. No, like it is the practice which brings us the skill. No, and that is what is
Yeah.
missing from most of the people life because they either not get the chance in school or the college. But later on, if they join something like this or some sessions would be going on a daily basis, then showing up like which basically helps you to gain the skills which is required. And even in my case also, I have like mentioned in that video as well, and to you all, like the I started from the scratch itself. I used to teach a student like home tuition setup. There I experienced that how I need to improve my speaking skills, no. So like we all are improving in a way, no. So it is not something that
Yeah.
I am at some point and you are at some point. It is the thing that it is a collaborative effort that we guys are giving in here, no. And that is
Yeah.
the beauty of it, I would say, no. Collaborative efforts.
Yes.
Yeah. Then, yes, Nikhil, next one would be like, did you use any skills from this program in real life, or what was the result? So basically, if you feel that in some instances, like you feel like that these sessions helped you in your other stuff as well, your work or something.
So as of now, because you know that I am also working, having a part-time job.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, talking to my seniors and talking to my managers, sometimes we communicate in English, sometimes we use Hindi as well. So
Mm-hmm.
I think yes, that has improved a bit because
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I used to switch to Hindi. After talking in English for some time, I used to switch to Hindi. Now that we are uh, speaking every day in the meeting and joining every day,
Mm-hmm.
so we are getting quite better and things have improved.
Yes, yes. And this is the keen observation actually, Nikhil, you have made in here, no? Like this is
Yes, sir.
something that we used to switch to Hindi whenever there is some conversation going on. But yeah,
Yeah.
I think we all are doing great in that. Yeah, true that, true that.
It's not that we don't know the words, but
Yes.
but remembering it, those words at proper
Mm,
point of time and then using it in proper places. This is something that comes with practice.
practice, yes. Totally agree with that.
That was that was missing.
Yes, yes, true that. Okay, then next question would be, did you find the topics and activities interesting that we did in the program, the version one of it?
Absolutely, sir. The topics that we were using,
Mm,
we changed the topic in a few days. We used to change. Sometimes we just started with some basic lines and we started and a few sentences, then started explaining our views about that. Then sometimes we were also speaking on the basis of some pictures and graphics. Then we also spoke about some data sets and started explaining what were the observations that people that we were making from the our point of view. So yes, there were a variety of things that we discussed, and that has made the whole program very interesting in a way.
mm,
And that I think that's the reason why people have continued till now, and
mm.
I'm sure they will be doing it for further as well.
True that, true that. Yeah. Like coming to data set as you mentioned, so this is something, yeah, I also feel like we have done a great job by introducing those data topics into the picture, no? Because it can give us the common base as well, because we all are somehow like into the field. So we are looking the best to learn. So yeah, I think these topics
Yes.
would go further as well. True that.
Sure.
Okay, next question would be, Nikhil, would you recommend this program to other students, or like how do you feel about it if someone is at some stage of their practicing skills?
For someone who is looking to improve their communication skills, I think they should definitely be joining this program, sir. Because yes, it would be very fruitful for them because we don't. I think we do it for 1 hour sessions. We have a 1 hour session,
Mm,
and weekly for 5 to 6 days we do it, and we set the meetings according to everyone's priority. We see each and every one that people are free, and the people that we are doing with are also putting time to it. They have also
mm,
improved, and the results are visible to them. So
mm.
absolutely, if someone is trying to improve on their English and he is very dedicated, trying and he's
Yes, yes, true that, Nikhil.
absolutely trying to
Mm,
improve their English.
mm, mm, mm.
So definitely, I would be recommending him or her.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I think if one is ready to put the efforts, no, yeah. So if one is ready to put the effort, then definitely joining the program would help. So like we all
Yes, sir,
are
absolutely.
experiencing the same. Yeah, that is perfect. I think, Nikhil. So thank you so much, Nikhil. This is the idea I was having to record feedback from every one of you, because I want the genuinity should be there, like how the program went by, so that if people learn to found the video, then they should be getting the idea or real insights that how it is working actually. So that was my aim as well, and this motivates me as well, no, to like work the best I can. But I hope you guys are enjoying it, and this is
It works, and yes, that is the way both of us are continuing.
yes, yes,
Even
that.
I am able to see results,
Mm,
and you might also be
yes,
enjoying the whole process.
true that,
That's why
absolutely.
you are putting efforts daily.
Yes, yes, yes. Because yeah, because when we teach someone, no, we even learn more. This is basically the idea.
Yes,
Everyone should do that, I would say. No, like some point,
yes,
you guys also should start something like that, because whenever you go into teaching, then you were the only one person over there that who would be learning the most. No, this is the idea, because we have
yes,
that
sir.
mindset to prepare the things and then to come up, show up. So I think it's an exercise
Yes,
in itself. So I would definitely recommend if you can do that, that would be great. No.
yes, sir.
True, I think.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Nikhil. We can sum it up now. And
okay, sir.
thank
So
you
we
so
are
much.
having
Yeah,
today's meeting as well.
yes, yes, definitely. I'll share the
Fine.
like timing is already fixed, but I will share if something will be there as a content.
Okay,
Fine. Thank you, Nikhil,
okay,
for the
okay, sir. Bye. Thank you.
bye. Thank you. Thank you.